Faceless YouTube channels like this are making around $10,000 a month. In this video, I'm going to break down how to create your own faceless YouTube automation channel for results like this, even as a complete beginner. You don't need any skills or experience because I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to do everything from start to finish. Step 1. Pick a niche. The right niche can set you up for success, while the wrong one can mean wasted time. You want something that's popular enough to attract views, but specific enough to carve out a dedicated audience. Some profitable faceless niches include tech reviews, life hacks, cooking tips, gaming, and personal finance. So, how do you find the right one? Start by looking at what interests you, what's trending, and what advertisers might pay well for. For example, topics like finance, fitness, and tech usually have high ad rates because they attract advertisers willing to pay more. For the sake of today's tutorial, I'm going with the personal finance niche. Step 2. Research your niche. The personal finance niche is always relevant. Everyone wants to learn how to save money, invest smarter, or pay off debt. It's also broad enough to give you a variety of topics while still attracting a consistent audience. To confirm this niche has potential, open YouTube and type "how to save money" into the search bar. Look at the autocomplete suggestions. Phrases like "how to save money with low income" and "how to save money as a student" pop up. These are topics people are actively searching for. Next, click on a few videos to see their view counts and engagement. If you notice videos with tens or hundreds of thousands of views, that's a good sign. Note them down in a Google Doc where you should keep a list of all your video ideas. We'll come back to this later. Step 3. Set up your channel. This part is simple but important because your channel needs to look professional to attract and keep subscribers. Start by choosing a catchy, memorable name that reflects your niche. You can even ask ChatGPT for help by typing in a prompt like this. Pick one that sounds good and is to the point, or come up with your own using what ChatGPT generated as inspiration. With your name chosen, go to Canva and create your channel logo and banner. Search for YouTube banner and logo in the templates library, and pick ones that are clean and simple. Then, customize it by adding your channel name. You can add icons from the Elements section on the left. As this is about personal finance, I can include icons like a $sign. I can just drag and drop that in. You can play around with the colors and the fonts too. Once you're happy with the design, save your logo and banner and upload them to your YouTube channel. At this point, use ChatGPT to write a channel description that introduces your content and grabs viewers' attention. Just give ChatGPT this prompt. Copy and paste what ChatGPT generated in your description and change it a little bit to add your own personal touch and make it unique. Now, you're good to go with actually creating and uploading your videos. Step 4. Come up with strong video ideas. At this point, you want to dig deeper into what we did in Step 2. Go back to YouTube, search for high-performing videos in personal finance, and pay attention to things like titles, keywords, and video length. You can use the free vidIQ extension here to help. This will give you some stats that will let you know if the videos are performing well and which keywords are popular for attracting traffic. Note down all of your video ideas in your Google Doc and include the keywords that you found did well underneath each idea. This will help us later on when we upload the videos. You can also use ChatGPT to come up with more video ideas by using this prompt. Step 5. Write a script. Once you have a video idea, you'll need a script. Again, we can use ChatGPT. Just give it a prompt like this. It'll provide a full script with clear talking points that you can edit to fit your channel's voice. Copy and paste it into a Google Doc, read through it carefully, and edit it to make it more human and add your own touch. Step 6. Generate a voiceover. A strong script is important, but it's not enough. Your voiceover needs to bring it to life. For this, use 11 Labs. Head over to their website and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, check out the different voices. For this example, let's pick a friendly, conversational voice that matches the tone of a personal finance channel. Paste your edited script into the text box, adjust the tone and energy sliders, and hit generate. Play it back and make sure it sounds natural. If it's too robotic, try tweaking the settings or switching to a different voice. Download the audio once you're happy and you're ready for the next step. Step 7. Create the video. With your voiceover and script ready, it's time for video production. For this, use Pictory. Head to the website and sign up if you need to. When you're logged in, look for the option that says Script to Video. Click on that and you'll see a text box. Copy and paste your entire script and enter your video name above it here. And then click on Scene Settings and adjust it to create new scenes on line break. Then, make sure that there's a line break after every sentence at least. This will make it so that there's different footage every few seconds, which makes the video less boring and keeps people watching for longer. Then click Proceed. After a few seconds, you can see all the scenes with the footage that Pictory's AI picked out. They're not all going to be the right fit. You can just click on Visuals and pick different footage from the options here, or search for a specific clip and add it in. Once all your scenes are set, we can click on Audio, and then upload our 11 Labs voiceover that we generated earlier. You can also add background music by clicking on the Background Music tab and picking the track that best suits your video. I'll go for this one. When you're happy with everything, click on Format and change the aspect ratio to YouTube's video dimensions, which is 16:9. Choose 1080 video resolution or higher. Preview the video by clicking the Preview button up here. Once you're happy, click Export and download the video file. Step 8. Upload your video. Log into your YouTube account and click the Create button, then Upload Video. While the file is processing, write a title and description that include your keywords, which we researched in the earlier steps. The description should briefly summarize the video and include timestamps. Now, we need a great thumbnail. For this, use Canva and search for YouTube thumbnail in the template library. Choose one that's clean and bold. We can add an icon like a piggy bank and add a few words like "never be broke again." We just want it to be interesting so people click. Use bright colors and large fonts to make it pop. Once your thumbnail is ready, upload it to YouTube. Now, add tags like "save money," "budget tips," and "grocery hacks." Place your most important keywords at the beginning of your title and description. Once you've finished, go ahead and publish your video. Step 9. Repeat and monetize. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Don't let that intimidate you. Focus on consistent uploads. Aim for one video a week to start. Once you're eligible for monetization, go to YouTube Studio and click Monetization in the sidebar. Follow the steps to enable ads on your videos. But ads aren't the only way to make money. In the personal finance niche, you can also partner with brands for sponsored content, promote affiliate products like budgeting apps, or create your own digital resources like ebooks or courses. The key to long-term success is staying consistent and improving with each video. Keep an eye on your analytics to see what's working. If videos about budgeting hacks perform better than investment tips, focus on creating more of that content. Over time, you'll refine your process and grow your channel into a sustainable income source. From finding your niche to uploading and monetizing, this is the exact roadmap to starting a faceless YouTube channel. Have you ever used any of the AI tools that I mentioned? Let me know your experience in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.